Thank you. Now, let's get into categorization. Remember, this is the step one. The first one is the step 0. This is step 1, categorization. Now, when we say categorize, what comes into mind? When we say categorize, all we are saying is that you are grouping or you are classifying things that are similar. So it's like grouping or classification of information that are similar. Now, I'm sure you're familiar with this page, and so we'll go ahead and I want to go to the next slide. Now, when we talk about the categorization of information type, what we are saying is that federal information systems are categorized based on information that a system processes, store, or transmits. So the information that we are receiving, now categorization is where we are grouping them based on the fact that the kind of information is going to process, is going to store or transmit. Now, what NIST have done is that NIST has given us a guide that is 860 revision 2, and he has given us the FIPS 199. And we're going to go into the practical aspect where I'm going to talk about it and show you how we are doing that. But what we are doing is that we are mapping information types. We are saying that, okay, what is the confidentiality, integrity, and availability level? What are the impact level? Then we map those information types. That's why we say that information is processed by a system and it's classified based on the impact, whether it's a low, moderate, or high, and it's assigned to a certain security objective. Now, the highest impact level of the CIA now becomes what we call the high watermark. So after we have mapped our information type, the highest of it all becomes what we call the high watermark. And that high watermark represents how we are categorizing our system. Now, the systems are also categorized on information type. And so we are going to go into the next 860 revision 2 and the FIPS 199, and we are going to see how we do our categorization.